Hey, and I just want to share this super quick video clip to show you how to create a back file for any cut file or anything you design in Cricut Design Space. So I'm going to start by duplicating my S, and what I want to do is create a back file. So I'm going to select, then I'm going to go down to the bottom right hand corner and choose contour. Now you can see here with the contour tool that you can either hide all contours, or you can just choose tiny little bits of contours to hide. So you can see in the picture in the left, I've hid all contours and they're gone. But if I click this leaf, that will reappear. So you can pick and choose what you hide. But I'm going to hide all contours so that I've got a back file for my S. Now what I'm going to do is change the colours, so you can see that when you layer one over the top, you've got that nice colour coming through to the back, so it just gives your cut file an extra dimension. Okay, I hope that helped.